All right, hey, good morning, everyone. So, I just wanted to talk about what's going on today, and I'm actually kind of really excited about what I'm seeing. Just a couple of things to point out. I really like what RSI's done and how it's, I pay attention to this red band. This is like the moving average of our RSI, and anytime it's up here in this upper range, of course, it could break out from this 70 area right here, the upper band of a typical RSI is between 30 and 70. It could go above it and stay above it for a little bit or for a long time, but honestly, if we were just so close to all time highs, if we were, you know, moved up all the way up here, um, at 6186 and we had RSI this hot, it would reject pretty bad. So I do like that we are consolidating. This is like actually a really good example of what a nice consolidation looks like. If you could see here, so from the top of RSI, you know, to where we're at right now, we've dropped what, like, I don't know, a good 25 points. Well, actually, it's just a smooth line down. So that's what we kind of like to see, um, especially in this tight range. This uh, 30-point range. Yeah, 30-point range or so. Um, this tight consolidation that we got going on is actually really bullish to me. Um, that, and then we got, this magnet level that I showed, or that we have posted up right here. This area. Hold on one second. Okay, so this magnet zone right here, 66 to 70, is holding quite well, and you can see how uh, powerful it is. And I mean, you go back to here, and it was resistance here. We poked through it, got rejected here, but smashed through it, and then fell through it here, and then came back up here, got a choppy zone right here, and then support right here, resistance, resistance, boom, smash through it, support fell through. So this is actually a really strong zone. I would not be surprised if we fell through it. And this ideal level to bid is actually, I mean, it's a lot more ideal now that I'm looking at it. If we do get there, but I mean, we probably are gonna hold this. I know we got like J Powell talking later, so um, that always brings some volatility and uncertainty. But we're currently in a failed breakdown. I mean, you can see uh, from this 16 area, and ultra bull case for today is we don't want to lose this little area right here, because if we do, we probably will collapse. We'll probably do a pretty massive dump to the downside, probably to, I mean, yeah, we can. Oh, I got these knife catch um, spots right here, 59.47. But yeah, we'll probably, test this area here if we do break 60-20 or 60-16 today. So that's something that I'd be looking at. And it's possible, with JPAL, but I don't know. You can never tell with these um, news conferences and stuff. It's just so hard to. I mean, it's impossible unless you know what he's going to be saying and stuff. Then you have a better chance. So yeah, we're flagging what we wanted to see overnight is flagging, um, and this is kind of just gonna. It looks like a really big flag that's happening, but we'll see. Here's like the first part. I always look at these like little, um, I guess bumps, or hops. That's the way I see the stock market moving. So we got this other one forming, and then maybe we break out tomorrow. We could always, just go straight up here, which again, wouldn't be too bad either, because we got this other zone. This is the other thing I want to talk about. We got this other zone up here that we want to like consolidate at, and um, breaking this is actually takes us up to new all-time highs. So what we would want to see is today, we're building this flag, probably break out of this flag later today, and then hit these targets. These are the actual three targets um, for today: the 5109, 5116, and 5129. So we'd want to see these targets first, um, probably today. Hopefully, we'll see. So hit these today, and then these are also possible short shots to take. So once we hit the level, if you're a counter trender, take it somewhere right there and get a couple of points. These short, I guess, spots aren't like for you to just short and hold on and think it's gonna die like this. It's just probably gonna get a couple of points, kind of like this. Like this one, it pierced up here and then got rejected, or even right here. I guess this 100 level was pretty tough for the 104. We hit here, and we sold, and then we tried it again, and then we sold big, and then we tried it again, and we sold again. So it'd be looking something like this. We'd hit 109 and then reject, or 116. And this was a massive rejection, but this is a major resistance right here. 129 is actually the biggest one too, because clearing this will take us to all-time highs. But we got them down just in case, because we could get here pretty quickly to this zone, and once we get here, we kind of just want to chill out and then break out. So um, this is probably gonna happen tomorrow with good CPI. Well, with good CPI data, this will probably happen tomorrow, and then, like I said, we probably just right up here. So it looks something like a big W, a big W, and then choppy mess up here, and then boom, all-time highs. So yeah, that's the trade plan for today. That's what I'm leaning. That's my lean, and that's what I'll be, tracking. Um, so yeah, hopefully that helps. Hopefully that gives you some insight. And was there something else I wanted to talk about? I don't think so. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or anything, just let me know. All right, we'll talk to you later. Thanks.